Okay, hi everyone. Glad to have you back. In this video, I shall be treating how to calculate coefficient of inbreeding of an offspring of half-sibling mating. You may want to refreshing yourself with similar examples on full sibling, if need be. Okay, so here the bottom line here is that this individual whose coefficient of inbreeding we want to calculate is an offspring from parents that were half siblings. Take a close look at this pedigree diagram. You will see that here's our individual, here's our offspring X, whose coefficient of inbreeding we are interested in, and he is an offspring of sire S and dam D. And then on the other hand, sire S is an offspring of grandpa 1 and grandpa 2. Then why dam D, his mother, is an offspring or was an offspring of sire 1, grandpa 1, and grandma 3. All right. So you could see from this pedigree diagram right away that there is an ancestor that is common. One is a sire here, and one is also a sire here. But there are two different dams, meaning that S and D, they are siblings, all right, but they are half siblings. In other words, they do not share complete parents. They just share one parent. So one parent is common to both of them. So the arrow diagram over there simplifies this pedigree diagram, which zeroes in on that common ancestor, in this case being grandpa 1. So grandpa 1 is the main common ancestor here, from whom it is possible that any two duplicates of alleles could descend to this offspring, this guy here, and he could be homozygote at a certain locus by reason of the fact that he got both of those identical alleles by descent from this grandpa 1, following either of these pathways. So it is pretty much possible that he could get one allele through this S and this one, and the same grandpa 1 could have donated the same copy of that allele. Remember, it is a chance, it's independent assortment according to Mendel's, and then he could, by random chance, still donate the same duplicate of the same copy of the allele here, and then in the process of another fertilization here again, chance could play out that it could still be that his same duplicate allele that we pass on here, and this one we pass on. So this becomes homozygote here, carrying the same alleles that were exactly in this grandpa 1. So we have a loop there. This N, do not forget, is about the number of pathways that connect the parents of the offspring X to the common ancestor. So when you come here, you're going to see that there are two parts here. One part here connects the dam to the common ancestor. That's a grandpa 1. And then there's another part here that still connects the grandpa 1 to the sire. So all in all, there are like two parts there. So from X, you could move from X to S, okay, and then from S to 1, that's one part. Remember, always from parent to common ancestor. We don't count this one. And then from the common ancestor, you go to the other parent again. So this is like two parts. So we just have two parts. In other words, we have established from this flow chart that N, the power to which we need to raise N, to raise this half, is just 2. Okay, so you come here and substitute that in that formula. You're going to have fx, that is the coefficient of inbreeding for our offspring X, will be given by half summation of this part. In this case, we don't have anything to sum there. We just say half raised to power n, n here now being 2. All right, so if we simplify this side, we're going to have half, and then half raised to power half is simply half 1 over 4. All right, 1 over 4, or if you like, 0. I beg your pardon. 0.25. Okay, or 0.25. Good. So now this becomes half of 0.25. If you now break down this is going to give you something like 0.125. So, or 12.5%. Okay, so this is like the inbreeding coefficient of an offspring that is a product of half-sip mating. Okay, because parents are half-sip mating. I hope you got that. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. We shall look at subsequent examples again, where we possibly have an ancestor that was inbred. Do not forget to like this video and share. See ya.